My name is Shin Muknad. I am from CIC. My roll number is 20BQ14719. Today I am going to tell about wave optics and its subtopics are interference, coherent source, superposition principle, thin films, and Newton's rings. Interference. Interference means superposition of the two waves with the same frequency, travel in same direction. Phase difference remains constant with time. Intensity is not uniformly distributed in the space. The non-uniform distribution of energy due to superposition of two waves is called interference. In interference, there are two types. One is coherent interference, I mean concentrative interference, and destructive interference. Constru- cons- Constructive interference. This is the diagram of constructive interference, and here is the destructive interference diagram. Coherent source. Two sources are said to be coherent if they have same frequency, same wavelength, same amplitude, constant phase, different with time. And here is the diagram. Coherence. What is coherency? Two wave sources are perfectly coherent if they have a constant phase difference and the same frequency. Coherence is idea property of waves that enables interference. Coherent sources are those which emits light waves of same wavelength or frequency and have a constant phase difference. And here are the diagrams: incoherent LED light and coherent laser light. Superposition principle. The conduct the conduction needed for the superposition are: first, the wave must contain same frequency, must travel in same direction, the phases difference remains constant with time. When the waves are in the same direction, y is equal to y1 plus y2 plus y3, so on up to yn. While the waves are in the opposite direction, y is equal to y minus 1, y minus 2, y minus 3, minus so on till yn. And here is the diagram of first screen and second screen. Let's talk about thin films. Thin films, the beautiful colored product by the thin films of thickness of oil on the surface of water and also by the film of soap bubble, can be explained by studying the interference phenomena in the thin film. Consider a transparent film of thickness and refractive index mu greater than 1. Thomas invented the interference. Consider PQ is equal to top layer of thin films, RS is equal to bottom of layer of thin films, T is equal to thickness of thin films, R is equal to random medium, D is equal to denser medium. Mu is equal to refractive index in the rarer medium. Mu2 is equal to reference index in the denser medium. AB is equal to incident ray, BC is equal to reflected ray, DC is equal to refracted ray, DE is equal to refracted ray, EF is equal to emergent ray, I is equal to incident angle, R is equal to refracted angle, sigma path difference. And here is a diagram and derivation. Sigma B is equal to B plus DE mu2 minus BC mu1. BC is equal to 2 sigma T sin R by cos R. This is the derivation of constructive interference and destructive interference. Let's talk about Newton's rings. These are the diagram of Newton's rings. Determinant path of Newton's ring. Sigma is equal to 2t plus lambda by 2. Determination of thickness of air films. T is equal to Rn square by 2r. Sigma is equal to Dn square by 4r plus lambda by 2. Constructive interference. Dn is equal to root of 4r lambda by 2 2 into 2n minus 1. Destructive interference. Dn is equal to root of 4n lambda n. Applications of Newton's rings. Determination of radius. Determination of radius. R is equal to dn square plus m minus dn square by 4m lambda. Determination of liquids. Ri. Mu1 is equal to dm square plus n minus dn square by dn1 plus m minus dn square. Thank you. అయిపోయిందిరా.